our reporters are also on ground to get us what's happening. How is the common man responding to the fuel price hike? But before that, let's actually get you a stat check. Let's tell you what were the costs earlier and what is it now. So let's tell our viewers about in the national capital. When we talk about petrol prices, earlier it was 94.77 rupees, and now with the 3 rupee hike, it is 97.77. In Kolkata, it was 105.45, and now it is 108.74. In Mumbai, it was 103.54. In Mumbai, the price right now is 106.68. In Chennai, 100 rupees 0.84, and now it is about 103.67. So this is what the petrol prices are looking like in major cities. Now let's tell you about the diesel prices. In Delhi, earlier diesel was at 87.67 per litre. Now in Delhi it is 90.67. In Kolkata it was 92.02 per litre. Now it is more than 95 rupees. In Mumbai it was 90.03, and now it is more than 93 rupees. And in Chennai, it was 92.39, and now it is 95.25. So this is the impact. This is what the prices are like right now. Let me go across to Adib, my colleague who's with us. Adib and also Ankit. Petrol prices, diesel prices have been hiked by 3 rupees per litre. On the ground, where are you? You've been speaking to people. What do they have to say? Take us through their reactions.
Well, Sagrika, see, right now I'm in Lucknow at one of the busiest petrol pumps. This is the Hazratganj area of Lucknow, and people, as usual, they have been coming at this office up to get their tanks filled. And when they are coming at the petrol pump, they are getting to know that the fuel prices have increased. We'll get some reactions. भैया, petrol prices जो हैं 3 रुपए लीटर बढ़ा दिए गए हैं आज से. सरकार ने पहले ही बोला था. किस तरह से अब आप चीजें मैनेज करेंगे?
पहली बात तो जॉब इतनी है नहीं, सैलरी उतनी है नहीं, लेकिन तेल का दाम बढ़ते बढ़ते चला जा रहा है, तो वो हमारे बस में तो अब नहीं है कि हम लोग मैनेज कर पाएं. बस जैसे तैसे चल रहा.
These are the kind of reactions that we are getting from the ground. People are saying that we don't have many options. We'll have to manage with the kind of thing that's taking place. भैया 3 रुपए प्राइस बढ़ा दिया गया है पेट्रोल का आज से. किस तरह से चीजें आप लोग मैनेज करेंगे अब जब पेट्रोल के दाम लगातार बढ़ रहे हैं?
मैनेज क्या, मैनेज तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना. हम लोगों को उससे कम तो हो नहीं जाएगा. जैसे है चलेगा. इफेक्ट करेंगे. 3 रुपए बहुत ज़्यादा मायने नहीं रखता है, बट सबके दिक्कत तो सबको है. हर जगह रेट बढ़ा है, यहाँ भी बढ़ा है.
So people, this is what the people have been saying, that prices of overall inflation will increase. The prices will further increase when the fuel prices are increasing. There's a surge in the fuel prices. The price as of now has been increased by ₹3 per litre. But the people over here in Lucknow, they are saying that this will eventually affect overall inflation. भैया आप पेट्रोल डलवाने आज सुबह आए हैं, 3 रुपए बढ़ा दिया गया पेट्रोल. किस तरह से चीजें मैनेज होंगी? सरकार ने पहले ही कहा था, पीएम ने भी कहा था कि फ्यूल कंजर्व करें, दिक्कतें बढ़ सकती हैं.
जी, पेट्रोल जो है जितना कम यूज़ करें हम लोग, जितना में हमारा काम चल सके उतना ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इस टाइम जो है देश की कंडीशन को देखते हुए हमको कम से कम खपत करना चाहिए. बस
कैसे मैनेज करेंगे महंगाई में?
अब मैनेज यही करेंगे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा जो है हम लोग प्रयास करें कि बेफालतू की बाइक वगैरह लेकर के हर चीज़ में थोड़ी 1 किलोमीटर 2 किलोमीटर जाने के लिए बाइक यूज़ ना करें, और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रयास करें कि पैदल भी कुछ काम किया जा सके. साइकिल वगैरह का यूज़ करें 1-2 किलोमीटर के लिए, इस तरीके से करें.
So Sagrika, see some really good suggestions from the people in Lucknow. They are accepting the reality. They know that there's a crisis, international crisis going on.
ये public है, ये सब जानती है. So there has been a hike in petrol and diesel prices, and if you just listen to what people there are saying, some of them are saying that yes, this is a time of crisis. We are aware of what's happening globally, and they're also paying heed to the appeal that was made by the Prime Minister to conserve fuel. Let me go across to Ankit once again. Ankit, what are people telling you? Where are you? Take us through the latest reactions. Okay, we'll try connecting with Ankit once again, but he too has been speaking to people. There has been a hike in petrol prices, petrol and diesel prices, 3 rupees per litre. And this is a revision, viewers, remember. It comes after weeks of volatile crude markets that put pressure on domestic fuel pricing. Now, this is an increase that reflects adjustments to align retail rates with also rising international crude oil and product prices. And Ankit, if you are with me, if you can hear me, please talk to the people who are around you. What do they have to say after the 3 rupee hike in petrol and diesel prices? All right, we seem to have lost that line with my colleague Ankit, and we will connect with him very soon. But more breaking news coming in. Let's tell you how the centre is defending that 3 rupee per litre hike in petrol and diesel prices. Government sources are now telling Times Now that this is an increase that comes amid a sharp global oil shock that has been triggered by rising geopolitical tensions. Now, sources are also saying that India had held fuel prices steady for weeks despite soaring international crude prices, with oil marketing companies also absorbing significant losses during the period. Now, government sources are claiming that the latest increase is among the lowest compared to major global economies, and that's the comparison that government sources have been pointing at, and so are leaders of the BJP. They're putting out the comparison that we've seen between major economies and also India. So yes, Hina is also with us. Hina, the opposition said we told you so. This is a predictable move, but what is the rationale behind it? Over the last few days, there were signals, but explain to our viewers the rationale that has now come in.
Well, what sources have told us is that, we all have seen how the Brent crude prices, in fact, have remained above $100 per barrel in the month of April and in the first half of May as well. As a result, the cost of buying for oil marketing companies, cost of buying oil has gone up. And for about 76 days in a row, the oil marketing companies continued to absorb this increase in, cost, and they were incurring a loss of about 1,000 crores per day, which is about 30,000 crores per month. There were under recoveries on petrol as well as diesel as well. And the government tried very hard to cushion the Aam Aadmi, while other countries continuously were increasing petrol as well as diesel prices. Sources say while India has today, after 76 days, has increased the petrol and diesel price by a little over 3%. If you compare it to other countries, say for example, China. In China, the petrol prices went up by 21.7%. Diesel prices went up by 23.7%. If you look at UK, 19.2% has been the increase in petrol price. Diesel prices went up by 34.2%. Likewise, in South Korea, Australia, Italy, Germany, Singapore, even our neighboring countries, Sagrika, have increased the petrol as well as diesel prices sharply from at least 20 to 35% since the war began.
Yes.
But the government here in India continued to shield the Aam Aadmi for as long as possible.
Right.
But now it was getting a little unsustainable, and that is the reason why, even if you see the hike right now,
Right.
it's quite modest, 3 rupees per litre for now.
And that is why when we listen to people there at fuel stations, there is a sense of awareness that, yes, we are in the midst of a geopolitical crisis, a global crisis. Fuel prices have gone up, but let's also do our part as citizens to ensure that we are also conserving and saving fuel and energy. We will come back to this story. Thank you so much, Hina, for breaking down those details. Time now for us to slip into a short commercial break.